You can whip it out. I mean, this the draw side.
So a key element in most vehicles is quick access to your stuff you use all the time. Cutleries, plates, burners, kettle, all that type of thing. I've been using the Stone Accessories drawer slider designed for Defenders. They have two versions. They have a higher version and they have the lower version. To me, the lower version is perfect. It's the height of a can, like a can of beans. It's all you really need. They've got this new upgraded front piece over here, which has a lip, which is fantastic. It's also good for opening beer bottles. And then I've got everything that I need inside over here. Duct tape, can of Doom, which is also quite important. I've got fire lighters, my gas burner. My gas burner has got a special adapter that I make and sell that goes with a gas bottle. I don't want these little burners because these are gas canisters because they take up space and you're just creating wastage that has to be thrown away. I've got more little gas canisters over here that I use with this type of burner. Over here, it's just one of these little bad boys. It's very tired, but it still works perfectly well with a little bit of love. So this is still very cool. My plates sit in and around over here. I won't bore you through a lot of the details. My kettle, which is quite common here, so I'll pull that out, put it on here, take the kettle out and put it on top, which is great. My teas and coffees, which I use regularly. My cutlery, which is inside over here, and then some dishwashing liquid, which works fine. I just put a little hole in the top so you can turn it upside down and pour without having to open the lid. So you just need a few drops. That's all it takes. That's more than enough. Sponges for cleaning, and then my cutlery is inside here. And then this actually was on a hinge and my burner was underneath, but then I thought no, because sometimes depending on the angle you park, this starts sliding all the time. So I've now put this on. I keep underneath my knife, my special knife that I use, and some other bits and pieces, tin foil, and then I just put my gas burner on top of here. It's like that. When I'm finished, it basically just folds in like that, and you bomb it in. Close. And it locks tight. Perfect piece of kit for a rig.